Guys, say hi.
Hello.
Mom, I love you.
Any last words?
Alright, set a pace. So this one, we're going to hit a big angle here.
Oh,
Oh my god, look at that. We're going to let it drift sideways and we're going to hammer straight, alright?
okay.
Ready? Forward, forward.
Ah.
Dig it in.
Yeah.
Yeah. Good job. Take a break, take a break.
Our guide is planning.
Sister, I love you.
Suchi, who do you love?
I love everyone except mother.
And you can see how steep these drops really are. How
Yes.
much gradient loss we do. Good job, man. Well done. Dig it in, dig it in. Keep digging, keep digging. Keep digging, keep digging. Go, 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 go. Keep going.
Yeah.
Keep going. Stop, stop. Go back, good job. All forward. And stop. Back on the right. Back on the right. All back. All back. All back. Swim. Swim. Swim.
It's okay. So we are going in this next. Crystal Zoo will be leading, so I'm not sure about my fate. So mom, if you find this, I love you. Dad, I love you. It's because of this girl that I died, and this one as well.
Make sure I bury you.
He's my friend Benji, and this is Mother San. All three will be dead because of these two girls. So if they're alive, please kill them.
Farewell, guys.
And
Watch the bump here. All right, all forward hard. Back on the left. Back on the left.
back on the left, Suchi.
Forward.
Dig it in. Woo!
Damn right, boy. All forward. All forward. Stop.
This is where we are going next. It seems to be the most dangerous. Crystal in the meanwhile fell. You can see her wet hair.
Forward hard. 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 Dig it in.
Dig it in, bitches!
Dig it in. Dig it in.
Yeah.